Anti-humidity conditioner prevents frizz, block out frizzy hair and leave hair smooth, shiny and easily styled with Frieda Frizz Ease Conditioner for frizzy and wavy hair types. Infused with pure coconut oil. Coconut-infused remedy is perfect for repairing damaged hair, locking in essential moisture and preventing frizz before it starts. Leave hair looking smooth and shiny. Frizz-Resistant Barrier. Make your hair more and more resistant to frizziness and dryness with each use. Over time, immunity to frizz gets stronger, so hair becomes smoother and more manageable. Moisture and repair for unmanageable hair. Protect your hair from humidity and dryness with our deeply penetrating conditioner. Resists frizz in up to 90% relative humidity. With Frizz-Immunity Complex, say goodbye to frizzy hair by building up your frizz resistance for curly, frizzy, coarse hair types. Frieda Coconut Oil Infused Frizz Ease Conditioner is formulated to build up your resistance to dry, damaged, frizzy hair while making it more manageable and easily styled. Fight frizz and flyaways before they start with Frieda Frizz Ease Beyond Smooth Frizz Immunity Conditioner. It penetrates hair fibers, working from the inside out to fight frizz, combats the porosity of dry, damaged hair and creates an internal barrier. When used with Frieda Frizz Ease Beyond Smooth Frizz Immunity Shampoo, hair becomes more frizz resistant. Over time and with continued use, its immunity to frizz gets stronger, so hair becomes smoother and more manageable. Infused with coconut oil, the conditioner improves the texture of medium, thick wavy and curly hair types, so hair looks and feels smooth, sleek, and healthy. Protect against humidity and invest in the health of your wavy, curly or frizzy hair. Satisfaction guaranteed. Limitations may apply. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Smells great, arrived on time, great way to tame frizz.